Tired of searching the Roblox catalog for a clothing to Roblox with your friends? Or simply never dreams clothes? Well, maybe this is for you. Very good people, I'm Suki. As many have been asking on the Discord server, today I finally found the window of reading with this tutorial on how to make the clothing. Obviously, this is playing my time, because the authors they also make use of a variety of templates, and not everything is first person handmade. This tutorial will be used the project of a series of videos explaining for the most basic or to the most complex for use clothing creators. But hey, I will explain more things like this in future videos. Now, we are going to teach you the most basic way of automatic clothing. For this problem we will start with something super simple for money, and this about copy paste. Now to begin, it's about the tops that I use and will use. For this occasion, I have a government PC. I have found an adequate way to make clothing without telling any program. Yeah. And use weight cycles. It's super simple and somewhat complicated if you are new to this. As the first start, we have Paint. That's right. You are program for Windows Classic. Now the single tool we have Photopea. It's like Photoshop but free. That's right. It's hard to believe, but I can be used free without paying a single cent. Well, the last start we have RX Discord Bad, which will help you hate our clothing templates. Let's having our tools. We will move a tutorial for which you are here. A tip, in my case I always make paint sheets to keep parts of cutout clothing. You have to take this into account. There is a separation in the template of 2 pixels. If 1 pixel says are missing in the template, the clothing will look mad. If you think it is the color of white upon muscles, you are wrong. For this, we will use for Photopea, which will help you create the depth or the muscles. hope this new tutorial worked for you. Soon, we will see more ways to make clothings and become hikes in the process. So, that you like me, can become creators of clothings and not over depend on both of you. Good luck. My name is Suki, and I say goodbye. Remember to support us by joining our server, buying the clothing, or at least give a sad ration to the clothings, and also subscribe to the channel. Hurry come and watch into the other videos. ¿Cómo se cierra esto?